Okay, so I'm Stephen Zone. I study economics and politics. I'm currently Vice President and Secretary of MUTIS this year. So just a little bit about me. I'm a big Arsenal fan. Anyone has any kids, please let me know. I'm the man. I have done 6 internships over the last couple of years. They included the Swiss Stock Exchange, 2 months, the Kite Group, which is a futures trading firm, Pentland Brands, which owns Speedo, Mitre, Lacoste. I was working for a group called Hot Fresh in their head office. NYC Euronext, so the New York Stock Exchange, but in London. I worked there for a year during my gap year. Actual Investment Managers this spring for 2 weeks. And then I've just been in Hong Kong for 3 months for a group called Hudson Consulting, who are a financial headhunting firm. My area in MUTIS is events, marketing, HR, and general group strategy. The guys on my team are Simona, over here, Karina, James, and that's the current members. So a bit about our meetings going forward. They run every Thursday, 6 o'clock in one of the rooms in MBS. We generally post it on the MUTIS Facebook page, and we'll send out emails as well. At the beginning of each meeting, there'll be a market roundup. So generally everything that's happened in the previous week. This week, we're just going to go over a bit about what's happened this summer and just a general roundup. There will generally be 15-minute talks on different areas of finance taken by different members of the group. We're going to do things from sales to M&A to HR, and we'll generally try and bring in kind of some professionals to come and speak about that through our connections in the city. We're going to also ask a few members, if you have a speciality or an area you'd like to make a presentation in, to come and help us out and do one yourself. Within these presentations, we'd like as much group participation as possible. So a lot of the stuff, we may try and go through group activities, we want lots of questions, and we want you to really get involved with us. At the end of each week, we'll have a summary about what's going to be in the following week, and the sponsors who are coming in the following week to talk about their internships and things. And generally afterwards we'll go for a social. So our sponsors this year, we have 2 head of sponsors who are King and he's not here. But anyway, we have BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, Barclays, PwC, Optimus, Citi, Amplify, FXCM, and RBS. They'll all be coming in to talk a little bit about themselves, their internships, and we're also going to be having lots of networking events. So we're going to get actual professionals in, we're going to have networking sessions, we're going to have a few coffee chats, and we're having a couple of dinners. They're generally going to be for the most committed members of MUTIS. There'll be lots of HR coming in to talk about their internships as well, and how their assessment centres run, and there'll be ample time to ask questions. These will be ongoing through the first semester, so of course get in for their summer internships and apply early. These are the dates for the events, so they'll generally be run throughout the week. We'll keep you posted as much as possible through the MUTIS page and through emails. If you want to make a quick note of a couple of them. We have a few special events this year. Amplify Trading is one of the biggest trading events that's run in the UK. They come in, we're setting up a load of computers in the university for everyone to come and learn. We're going to do a bit of training and a big session on trading itself. FXCM, Top Trader Competition, is a new competition this year. It's run globally. Universities from around the world are joining this. So you have Harvard, LSE, UCL, groups like that. The $10,000 prize at the end, and there's a 6-month winner which will get $1 million. So well worth looking into that. We also this year have set up a London trip. So this is going to take place on November the 19th. That's with 3 groups, Bloomberg, Actual Investment Managers, and Citi. They're 2-hour sessions in each place. And it's just a good opportunity to go down and see a trading floor, go and see the group where they work, and people who are actually there. That's going to be for around 30 people. Again, that's going to be for members the most committed, to the people who come and make presentations, and generally just people who get involved. What you will get out of MUTIS this year. So we'll generally try and give as much basic information about financial markets as we can, and try and introduce you to as many areas of the market as we can. If you get involved, it's something great to put on your CV. As you'll hear from most of the guys here, most of them have done internships, and a massive part of that has been through MUTIS. It's a chance, if you really want to come and present on an area you want to talk about. It's great to get in front of a large group of people and test yourself. Improving your interview and assessment skills. We're currently talking to SHL to see if they'll come in and talk to us a bit about their assessment, logic tests, and numerical tests. It's a great place for socialising and networking. So if you guys afterwards want to come along to ProBar, meet people, it's the best way. As you can tell from previous years, lots of people have gone into the city, so it's great to build up your network on that side. Chance to be a part of the fun team. There's the fun team competition which is going on again this year. And if you want to get involved in that, that would be really helpful for you going forward. And of course, if you want to help the committee, we're happy to take people on board to help us out with different projects. Thanks for listening, everyone. And are there any questions? Yeah.
When you said help the committee, you probably, I suppose, have already full committed. How can we help you?
So we're going to be running quite a lot of large projects. As you can see, it's not a huge team. We have lots of people in different areas of the group, but we're going to be opening that up because we're going to have lots of things ongoing. So we're going to invite people to come along and help with different tasks. We run elections towards the end of the year, but look, mainly the committee is set for this year. If you want to get involved with presentations and getting involved with funds and trading competitions and those sort of things.
Yep. The events which you mentioned earlier, will you have them either on your Facebook wall or internet page?
Yeah, so we're going to try and put everything up on Facebook as much as we can. We're also going to send out emails to the email group. If as many of you can sign up to the group spaces as you can, that way you get the emails. And we're going to try and update the MUTIS website as much as we can. Any other questions?
Membership fees?
There is no membership fees, everything is totally free. The London trip is free. I think there may be a fee for one of the trading games, but that's it. Everything's free to come to. Alright, thank you for listening, and I'll pass on to Kate.